StaSys Aviation is proud to announce our newest product, Perfect Balance 2. PB2 is an HTML5 web application which allows it to be used by all computers and mobile devices. It also works offline, so it isn't necessary to be connected to the internet to perform a weight balance. Perfect Balance is safe, accurate, intuitive, fast, and secure, while reducing costs for fuel and training at the same time increasing productivity. But how much can be saved? Take a simple scenario. An organization has 5 aircraft operating per day. Those 5 aircraft perform 2 flights per day. There is 200,000 pounds of fuel burn per segment. You get a 1% savings by loading to aft CG limit. Your fuel costs $2 per gallon, and you have 6.7 pounds per gallon. Now with that scenario, you will have 10 flights per day. You can save up to 2,000 pounds of fuel per flight, which saves up to 20,000 pounds per day. That saves you a little under 3,000 gallons of fuel per day. At $2 per gallon, you are saving just under $6,000 per day. Maintaining this flight schedule, you would save roughly $179,000 per month, or a whopping $2,149,254 per year. So let's take a look at Perfect Balance in action. First, I'm going to select an aircraft. I'll select the DC-10 Combi, and then I'm going to select the configuration. We had 2 of them. I'll select the first one, and now I'll start entering the number of observers to record their weight and the number of passengers to get their weight recorded, as well as our flight attendants. And now I can start entering the weight of the ULDs for each compartment. Now, as I enter weights, you can see over here on the right in the envelope that the zero fuel weight will shift with each added ULD. Also, as I enter a weight in a compartment, you'll see the thresholds of the other compartments shift in relation to the entered weight. Up here at the top, we have a lateral imbalance indicator. So if you have a lateral imbalance, as you can see there, it'll shift and indicate that. So now let's enter our fuel. We have 200,000 pounds of ramp, 2,000 pounds of taxi, and 150,000 pounds of en route. And that puts us outside of our envelope here. So now you can see the power of Perfect Balance in action as we simply drag and drop our ULDs to get back inside of that envelope. As we all know, loading as far aft as possible reduces on the fuel burn. So now we're just outside. I'll drag a pallet up, and now we're back inside of the limit. Over here you can see our weights, the flaps, etc. All of this information is exact. There's no interpretation, indexing, or averaging. This is all exact information. You can further customize by adding the default weights. Say you have a heavier average passenger, and you can set limits if you have an MEL. As you can see here, the limit has shifted in relation to that. You can enter the basic flight data, such as who flew or where you're going, and all of this information will be on the printable report. This report won't be printable if anything exceeds the limit. As you can see here, I just shifted and it's gone outside of the limit. And Perfect Balance is further customizable to your organization's needs. Thank you for your interest in Perfect Balance 2. For more information on Perfect Balance 2, please contact StaSys Aviation at stasys@earthlink.net or call 907-346-9292. You can also contact Northwest Data Solutions, the developers of SMS Pro, at chowell@nwds-ak.com or call 907-227-1676. Thank you.